Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's look is this super natural but super extra, like Instagram inspired, everyday, natural, glow from within glam. Like my homegirls could tell I have on makeup, but boys think they know everything and they can't tell that I have on makeup. I like natural girls kind of be, you know. By the way, that's completely a joke. Don't ever conform yourself and your makeup artistic abilities for some boy who likes natural girls, because they don't even know what natural is. They think Kim Kardashian's natural. If you guys want to see how I did any of this, just keep on watching. Y'all, I woke up at like, not 7:30, that's a drag. I woke up at like 8 today. I'm tired. Like when I tell y'all I am tired, and I know somebody about to comment, 8's not even early. Shut up. Okay, shut up. I'm starting out with my foundation. I'm taking the shade 355 in the let me make sure I'm not lying. I'm taking the shade 355 in the matte and poreless finish, and I'm gonna be putting this all over my face. I at one point was doing my eyebrows first, but then you kind of get like a halo eyebrow, and yeah, I'm better than that, so I'm doing this first. My forehead is like the only place that I have acne scarring, and it really is karma, because me and my best friend were talking about like breakouts, and we will always be like who breaks out on their forehead? Like that's such a weird place to break out. Who gets forehead acne? I got the worst breakout on my forehead after that a couple months later. Shut up! I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, a oldie but a goodie. Although this concealer is creamy, it kind of is a little dry as well, and my skin's more on the dry side right now, so using this is a risk. I actually got up and wet my beauty blender today because I really don't want to look dry. I'm gonna do my brows off camera, so when I come back in the next clip, I won't look like an alien, or I'll look less like an alien. Brows are kind of like a big part of this look, like that like Instagram like super glam brows, so I figured this would be the video, if any, that I do my eyebrows on camera. What I'm doing is I'm just gonna start by underlining my brow right where they like stop growing down. I'm gonna just underline them. I'm picking up product as I go instead of just loading up my brush with product, because then that's how you get a weird brow. Now I'm going to the arch, and this is important. I start by kind of like sketching out my arch, and then I go in. I want to make my brow a little too high. When I mess up, my favorite thing to do is take a dense concealer brush and just clean everything up. And then in the front of my brow, I kind of just let it fade. I don't want to put a lot of color there. And boom, we have a brow. I'm gonna do the other one off camera though. Now we got this super natural but like super glam brow going on, and I am living for it. I feel so cute. Hair on my tongue. Now I'm gonna put on a pair of princess lashes, and then I'll be back to finish off the rest of the look. For eyeshadow, we're only going to be taking one color. We're taking Primavera and putting that on our inner eye corner, and then we're going to finish beating our face. If you watch my videos, you already know I'm taking a contour. The e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo. I'm using the bronzer to bronze and contour. We're gonna sculpt our cheeks and especially do that nose job because I love me a good nose contour. If you've seen any one of my videos that's a regular makeup video, I don't even have to tell you what blushes I'm using, but I'll say it anyway. I'm mixing the two lightest shades in my e.l.f. cream blush palette. I would show you guys the cream blush palette, but she dirty and I'm dirty for using it and I don't care. Now for what is probably the most crucial part in a look that's inspired by Instagram highlight. I'm taking my e.l.f. warm tan highlighting bronzer, which means it's just a highlighter. I don't know why they do that. Marketing is so stupid. For lips, I'm lining my lips with just a dark brown lip liner and then I'm putting some clear gloss on top of that, and that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me actually do a basic look for once. If you did, you can leave a like and a comment down below. If you guys are wondering how I set all of this, because I didn't use a powder as you saw, to avoid flashback, because Jesus Christ, y'all know I'm a victim of flashback. I spray my beauty blender with setting spray and I set it everywhere that I would, you know, press a powder. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like and a comment down below telling me what you thought or what else you would like to see here on my channel. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I got designer from head to my toe. I'm on designer, my bitch on the code. I got Vinci all over my coat. I'm on the X and I jump on the phone. I'm on the Molly, I'm on the bean. 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 Lil Pump rich, he finna get richer. I pop a bean and fuck on your sister. No,